What's up, guys?
What's poppin' area? What's poppin'?
What's up, Force One fam? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. It's been a couple of months since we uploaded any videos. Good to be back. Just arrived at Lake Nipissing, Tarek and I. Beautiful day today.
It's an awesome day today. I think we're gonna do pretty good.
Yes. Bass opener was a couple of weeks. Beautiful weather. Hopefully we go after some largemouth and smallmouth bass. So guys, stay tuned. Hopefully you enjoy this video and we'll see you on the first catch. Oh, God. Oh, this is a big one. Fights like a bat. Yeah. No, nice walleye. Oh, wow. That's a keeper. You need a net for this. Hang on. You want the net? Never mind. That's a keeper. It's a good size. Ooh, look at it. Something did it. So, walleye fishing today? Looks like it, man. Let's beat up. Oh, got him. Oh, this is a big one. Oh, this is a good one. Okay, come on, come on. This is a good one. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, that's a 3-pounder. Oh my God.
Why?
That's why.
It's a big fish.
Man, that was a big fish, bro. It's gonna jump. The hook's still in its mouth.
Shake it off.
Oh, oh, watch, watch. Oh, got him. That's a good one. Oh, nice one. I told you, I just lost it.
Nice.
That's a nice smallie. Good one. Oh, that's a nice one.
Need that?
Easy. Possible. I can probably flip them, but I don't want to lose first bass. Let me see. Okay. What happens when you flip them in the boat?
Oh my God, you got 3 of them.
No, just this one. Sorry. Probably 2.5 pounder. Oh man, I wasn't recording. Well, you were. This is recording. That sucks. Same cast. Cast in the middle, thought it.
Need that?
Should be good. Hey. Oops. On the new Kitec color. Smiley. It's gonna jump. Ooh. Oh, I just missed it.
What's that?
Oh,
That's it?
man. Right there. Hold on, Tariq, hold on. Don't spook it.
Man, I'm on the other side.
Oh! Oh! Do you see? Let me work on this fish. Oh, got him. Oh, that was awesome, man. That was awesome. Did you see? I had to work on this one. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Don't shake, don't break. Easy. Hey, dude, I saw you going for it. Another smallie. Oh, you got one? It's a big one.
Bro, I'm telling you that.
Look, T, look how big this guy. Oh my God, look at this one, get the net. This one, I need a net.
Oh, he's hooked from the bottom, watch out. Come, bring it.
I am, bro, he's pulling.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's 2.5, 3 pounds. Watch out. What's in its mouth? What the heck was they eating? That's a crawfish,
Yeah,
huh? Oh, that's a clue.
That's a good clue.
That's a clue and a half, dude.
My battery ran out.
I know, my battery ran out. Here, that's the only one going. It's gonna run out too. Hurry up. Nice. Pretty good.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Good job, dude. Good job. Same where I caught that one. Yeah, and he caught on this side and that side. Perfect. Not bad. It's like he sees what's up. Nice. That's a not bad one. That's a 2-pounder. You got the plier? Pliers behind you. Nice. Let it go.
Some guy told me before, cast underneath the tree.
That's actually where I caught mine.
I wonder who told me that.
He's swimming my way, or did I lose it? Nice to have him on. Wow. He smashed it right away.
I felt cool. Nice one.
Oh my God. Oh my God, look how many times he's hooked.
Oh, look at the leash underneath him. Take that leash off of him.
Yeah, I know. I need the pliers.
Hold on.
Thank you, sir. Nice guy, T.
His mouth is full of...
Let him go.
Come on, man.
Got him. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh, just lost him. Second time, just lost him on drop shot. Man, drop shot. How come? And I set the hook on him good. Oh, there's a stack of them here, dude.
Got him right by that tree.
Oh,
Yeah?
it's coming for it. Attack. I saw one jump there exactly where you got that fish. I'll get it for you, don't worry. Here she is. Oh! Ooh! There's gotta be some fish here. This is off current. Got him! See? Oh, this is the tank. This is a good one. This is a tank. I just said there's gotta be a fish here. This is a tanker. Oh yeah. Let me bring them back. Stay out. Stay out.
And he's pulling like 5 pounders.
It's a nice one. Come on, buddy. Okay, on the deep water. Man, he's a fighter.
Pull a little bit.
Come on. Oh my God, this guy is fighting. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How much do you think this weighs? Nice fish. I would say 2-1. Clip it. Wow. 2-1. Oh my goodness. How about that for a call, huh? How about that for a call, man? 2.1. Perfect. 2 pound 1 ounce. Called it right on the nose. Okay, buddy. Thank you. Oh, got him. Oh my God, that's a 5-pounder. Oh my God.
20 pounder.
That's a 5-pounder. Bro, it broke my line, I think. Bro, that was a tank. Man, I'll get it back. It's sitting here. Got him. Got him. Got him, dude. I had to work this thing. Hopefully it's... Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, yeah.
Nah?
Oh, it's a nice one, Tariq. This is a decent one, dude.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, please. Yes. Oh, this is a 3-pounder. See, I told you this is the nice one, man. You want me to get out? That's a nice fish. No? What do you think? 3-2?
3?
3-2.
Possible.
Where's the plier? Bro, I had to work on this fish. I told you I'm not getting out till I get one of them. There's one more. Beautiful. Nice fish. Nice fish, dude. Scale said 210 twice.
210, 220.
It's not bad. Nice fish. Get the underwater release again. I told you I'm gonna work on these fish and get them. I got them. There's one more. Oh, man, I just felt a bite. See where it was? It was right there. Got him. It was right there. I knew exactly where it was. You got him?
Got a rock.
Thank you, thank you. Top of the mouth. Well, thanks for not stealing my fish, dude. Oh, this guy. By now, we know what's up, dude. Oh, that's a good one, dude. Stay down, buddy. Come this way. Oh, get away from the motor. I'm gonna lift him up. Oh, that's a nice one. Easy, 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 easy. Easy. That's 1.5 at least. Oh. 1.5 pound. Thank you. I say we go to Fish Bay, find some nice larger areas. Oh, got him. And he comes off. That's it, guys. Last fish of the day. We're gonna go back, cook up some food, and we'll be back tomorrow morning. Peace out.